Hey guys, welcome. It's your boy here again, Ajala The Traveler. This is another cooking edition. Maybe I should call this Cooking with Ajala. On this one, I want to cook okra soup. Okra soup is a delicacy from Nigeria. It's one of our choice soups. So today it's going to be seafood okra soup. As you can see here, I've got my okra and I have kale. This is kale vegetable. But back home in Nigerian parlance, we actually use pumpkin leaves, popularly referred to as ugu. But in this part of the world, it is pretty hard to come by. So this guy has been drafted in as a replacement and it has never disappointed. So here we have my mussels, we have the fish. This is hake fish. You can actually use any type of fish that you desire. This is gamba, large prawns. These are mushrooms. I've got onion and 2 cloves of garlic in here. I love garlic a lot for its health benefits. I've got chili, and I've got something that most Nigerians would not incorporate into this dish. But I do incorporate them because of their health benefit and their flavor. It is turmeric and this is cumin. And I have here 2 blocks of Maggi cube. Oh, lest I forgot my salt. I'm gonna be adding a little bit of salt. Okay, it's a simple process. I'm gonna take you guys through. I just rinse my pot thoroughly. I just put in a little bit of water in there. I like it to come out thick, so I don't add too much water. So I basically add most of the ingredients at the same time because this dish would not take more than 10-12 minutes on the stove. The reason for this is so that the vegetables can come out crunchy and still tasting fresh. So this is also a replacement for the palm oil. Back home we use palm oil, but ever since I discovered that it contains a lot of cholesterol, have basically done away with it. So it's been close to 2 years now that I last had palm oil in my kitchen or added to my food. So this is the first phase, and these guys will go on the stove. Let me not forget to add some salt to that. And bearing in mind that the Maggi cubes also contain salt, and my fish also has been salted, so I'm gonna put in just a little bit of sea salt in there. I'm gonna bring this to the boil for a bit so that the chili and the other ingredients will come out nearly cooked, and then I'm gonna proceed to add those guys one at a time. So guys, this guy has been boiling for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna add my fish. I'm gonna let that boil for 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna add something else. You'll see what we're gonna add next. These guys I'm gonna add about 3 minutes before the tail end because I don't want them to be overly cooked. They can get shrunk and become a bit harder. Even the mussels can already be eaten. They come almost ready. So basically, they also come in towards the tail end. Only if you guys could perceive all the aromas that's actually coming out from this part. I can perceive the turmeric, the cumin, everything separately, all coming together to infuse a great deal of taste into this okra sauce. It's going to be tasteful. I'm very excited and I can't wait. The fish has been on for 2 minutes, so I'm going to add my kale. I let it boil for a minute. And then I add my okra. I let that boil 2 minutes and then I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So it's been on for a total of 7 minutes. Now I'm adding basically everything. You know the mushroom do shrink, so it doesn't need to stay too long. So I try to give it a stir so that these guys will make their way to the bottom part of the pot. So guys, our meal is ready. Let's see how that turned out. Ooh, aroma. Let me serve that. Let me dish that so that you see what I'm talking about. We got our fish all intact. We got our veg. So the prawns, they basically maintain their stature. They're not overly cooked. This is how it turned out. Let me. I'm impressed. So thank you guys. I'm really excited. I can't wait to jump in, but it's not going to be in front of the camera. So I'll see you guys on the next one. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Appreciate you. Take care, guys. Bye.